How many of you drive? Awesome. Okay, not driving like golfing, but driving like the actual, like in a car. Okay, so imagine you have your perfect cup of whatever. How many of you are tea drinkers? Okay, got it. Coffee drinkers? Just drinkers? Oh, there you go. A couple hands in the back there. Okay, awesome. So imagine you're having your perfect cup of something in the morning. And you're driving and you're having a wonderful day. And all of a sudden, you pull up to someone going the speed limit in the left lane. Oh, some of you guys are like, what are you talking about? All right. So now, I'm from New Jersey. Sorry, I want to pronounce it right. Joyzy. Have you guys heard of Joyzy? Okay, cool. So I'm from New Jersey, and the law is that if you pass on the right, you get a ticket. And sometimes my Waze app isn't working, so I don't know exactly where all the police officers are hiding. Who here uses the Waze app? Who here just know what, just 3 people? Okay, cool. Who here doesn't know what the Waze app is? All right, it's awesome. W-A-Z-E, you'll appreciate it. So, imagine that you're driving and you're going, like, how many miles over the speed limit? By a show of hands, like, how many of you go, like, 5 miles over the speed limit? 5, all right, what do you got? 10, 10, 10, 15, 15, 25, 25, 35, 35, 40. Okay, so imagine you're going 10, 15, oh, you're more? You're going like the, all right, awesome. So, need for speed. So imagine you're going, you know, you're 10, 15 miles over the speed limit, you're in the left lane, you had your perfect cup of something, and obviously you have somewhere to go, and in the left lane is somebody going the speed limit. You know, the nerve, the audacity, all right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a little game, because today is about the mind, and today is also about human behavior, and I want to kind of work together with everyone to figure out a way how to get this human being in the car in front of us to move over or to speed up. Does that make sense? All right, cool. So just by a show of hands, well, actually, I want you guys a little audience participation. What is one thing we're legally allowed to do to let the person in front of us know that it's time for them to move over to speed up? What are we allowed to do? Flash, can you be more specific? Headlights. Okay, good. Just want to make sure. The other ones for when you get pulled over. Okay, so when you flash your brights, this is what happens. You see me in the car in front of you, and I look 45 degrees to the right in the rearview mirror, and then I look straight ahead. Now, what did I do? Okay, acknowledge you. Other people like acknowledge. That seems too nice. What did I do to you? Oh, by the way, also, I looked and the speed didn't change at all. I what? Okay, say that one more time, super loud. I'm the only one with the microphone. And I didn't move over. All I did was I looked 45 degrees to the right in the rear view mirror, and oh, she just went like that. Okay, got it, awesome. So how many people feel like I ignored them? Let's get a little deeper. Really, what did I do? I annoyed you, I disregarded you. How many of you, like, pissed me off? Some of you, okay, got it.